RGB Backlit Gaming Keyboard, 19 different RGB lighting modes, 8 colors, lighting brightness, and effect speed are also highly adjustable. Mechanical gaming keyboard with precision-engineered keycaps offering crystal-clear uniform backlighting. Full N-KEY Rollover, 104-key rollover with anti-ghosting means this keyboard will never miss a single key press or confuse your commands in any use case scenario. N-KEY can be disabled for gaming. Gold-plated interface and braid USB cables guarantee stable data transmitting. Removable keycaps, clean becomes easier. High-quality keyboard. UV-coated keycaps and injection laser carving. ABS keycaps design. The letter of characters never fade. Metal and ABS construction make it more solid and reliable. The mechanical switches have a 50 million keystroke lifespan.